When your tree's been colored, your vines are finished, your moon's colored in, it's time to do the background in our sky. We're going to do a practice paper first today on the back of our picture. Now I'm just going to draw a little moon today because I don't want to spend too much time coloring my moon in. Okay, now that I have my moon, we are going to work our way out in rings around the moon, and as we move away from the light, we're going to get darker with our colors, just like we did with our tree, starting out light near the moon and getting darker as we get further away. For the sky, I'm going to need white, light blue, dark blue, maybe even some purple. It looks even darker than the dark blue. Should I start with the dark purple right by the moon? No. I want to start with something really light. I am going to mix a little white on top of the lightest color here, but I don't want to start with that. I'm going to start with just some light blue. Just like we colored the moon in, I'm making little curved C's around my moon. Slowly making a circle as I rotate around the picture. Now I want to do more than just one line. In fact, I think I might even want a little more of the light blue. I am leaving little streaks of black, and in this case it's okay because it's adding almost like a texture to my picture, and since it's nighttime, you might see some dark sky in between the glow of the moon. Now right around the center, I am going to add a couple little lines. Again, I'm not drawing a whole circle, I'm just doing parts of a circle, kind of like C shapes or curve shapes. As I get further away from the moon, I'm going to stop using that white. Now I can see I can go a little bit further with my light blue. When I get further out, I'm going to switch to the next blue, if I have that medium color blue. As I continue to get further away, I'm going to color lighter and lighter. When I get lighter, I can see more black in the background, which means it looks like my blue is getting darker. Looks like it's fading into the night sky. Switch to my darker blue. I'm not even going to push hard with the dark blue at all. I'm just going to push lightly with the dark blue and keep working my way out. You can see I've almost filled up the whole sky, and I'm eventually going to have something that's going to get in my way. My branches, which are going to be on the other side too. When you get to a branch, don't color on top of it. Skip it. We go right up to the branch, skip the branch, and keep coloring in that circle. Now, I think I probably have enough. I don't need to use the purple. And again, this is just practice. I didn't really need to cover my whole background with the moon. Just do enough that you're comfortable and you're ready to move to this side. If it helps you figure out how much you want of each color, you could take the color stick and lightly outline a circle around so you know exactly how far you want each color to go. So the light blue is probably not going to make it to the other side of this tree. It's probably going to make it to this part of the picture. I'm coloring lighter now so it looks like it's fading into the sky. And around on that line I will stop. I am not coloring over my leaves. And I'm still coloring in a circle. Don't start coloring back and forth on this part. It will not look like your moon is glowing if you do straight lines. If you realize you've added too much blue or light blue, you can always take the next color and blend on top of it a little bit. Now this color will probably, if I use my imagination, come out a little bit more. Alright, my circle is here. I still want to keep curving my shape. Now I'm on to dark blue. Maybe I'll come out to there. And I want to blend on top of the last color a little bit. Mix it together. I don't want it to look like stripes. Now I'm getting to the point where I'm right near the edges of the picture. I can start just doing a few lines. And again, you can use purple too if you want. I've got enough here. I've covered a lot of space, so I'm not going to use purple because I do want a little bit of black on the picture as well.